crayfish and pepper. Today I cook with snails. You guys remember the snails that I cleaned that day? Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back. Thank you very much for watching this video. In today's video, I want to make Editan soup. Editan is one of my native soup. So this is the Editan, well processed. I slice it, pound it, and then cook it and filter it like this. And this is water leaf, periwinkle, and here is snails. This is snail and oysters here. Meat and cow skin. This is Maggi, palm oil, salt, crayfish, and pepper. So let's get started. My pot on fire. Palm oil. Onion. Fry my snail. Our soup. Ooh, that's good. Okay, so now I will add my meat and cow skin. I'll add periwinkle. I'll add crayfish and pepper. And then I'll stir it. Maggi. Water. Soup is almost ready. Now I will add my Editan. Palm oil. Boil very well before I put it down. Soup is ready. Soup is ready. Editan soup is ready. This lady can cook. Editan soup with snails. Today I cook with snails. You guys remember the snails that I cleaned that day? Guys, thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Mwah.